Domain and range of exponential function. So exponential function has a form y is equals to a to the power x plus b, right? For such exponential function, domain is all real numbers and range is y is greater than that b value. That is your range, right? For example, if I can say I have an exponential function y equals to 3 to the power x plus 4. This is my exponential function, right? So what is the domain for that exponential function? So the domain is all real numbers, but my range is y is greater than this 4, that value over here. If that value is 0, then we can say y is greater than 0. If this is some non-zero value, then you have to mention that non-zero value over here. Let me show you this with the help of a graph. Let me draw the coordinate system. Okay, so if we draw the graph of exponential function, so this is how the graph of the exponential function look like, right? So it involves all x values, the positive, negative, and 0. So that is why the domain is all real numbers, but the range is decided with the help of that b value, right? If b is 0, then we can say y is greater than 0. If b is some other number, then we can say y is greater than that number. For example, if I graph this out, so for that function, you can say y value is 4 over here. Let's say here y value is 4, right? This is how the graph of the exponential function look like. You can say x is all real numbers. This is your x, which is all real numbers. The domain is all real number, and the range is the y values which are greater than 4. Greater than 4, not exactly equals to 4. In the graph it look like exactly equals to 4, but it is not exactly equals to 4. It is always greater than that 4, right? So the domain for the exponential function is always all real numbers, and the range is greater than that value. If it is 0, we can say greater than 0. If it is some number, we can say greater than that number.